Anouba National Team Laothokhre Smriti Irani bu National General Secretary Hapkhre Party ki President Nitin Navin ki makhada BJP ki Anouba National Team ngasi Laothokhre Anouba National Team asida experience leiraba luchingba sing naha oriba luchingba sing amasung leibaga se ki tongan ba mafam madi tongan ba social group sing ki mihut kaya ubu famkhi Anouba National Team asida hanagi Union Minister Smriti Irani bu party ki National General Secretary Hapkhre team asida minority community singdagi nupi luchingbi tara amasung nupa taru yauri Rajasthan ki hanagi CM Rajesh Sindhia hanagi Union Minister Purendeshwari amasung National Commission for Women NCW ki hanagi Chief Rekha Verma hanagum Vice President ki firm adumak paihanki BJP ki organizational reshuffle asida luchingba kaya maruiba organization ki post gi lokthokiba amasung atopa luchingba kaya bana promote toba natraga anauba thodang sinaba ubo fangki maruina form sing pi kiba luchingba singi manungda Piyush Goyal National Treasurer Harish Dwivedi National General Secretary Kavita Patidar National Secretary na chingba yauki maruiba famdagi pothan kiba singi manungda Arun Singh Saros Pandey Om Prakash Dhruve Narendra na chingbani